Hey there, welcome to session 4. Okay, so the first thing we're going to look at is our vocabulary, our new vocabulary. Okay, so in our pupils' books on page 46, where we have our new vocabulary. Okay, so I'm going to read them and you're going to repeat in phrases. This is a shiny rocket. This is an expensive rocket. This is a modern rocket. This is a heavy rocket. This is a powerful rocket. This is an interesting rocket. Okay, now do you remember we have our adjectives that describe something, and we have our superlatives that say it's the most of something. So a heavy rocket, the most heavy, we put EST. Heavy, heaviest. But when we have a long word like powerful, it becomes most powerful. Heavy, heaviest. Powerful, most powerful. Let's do our vocabulary with the superlatives. So, with me, shiny, shiniest, expensive, most expensive, modern, most modern, heavy, heaviest, powerful, most powerful, interesting, most interesting. So that's a look at our vocabulary that was new last week. Now we're going to look in our pupils' books at today's lesson. We are going to look at Unit 4, Lesson 6 on page 48, the gas giants. Okay? So, first we're going to read and you can listen to me. Follow the text after you read again, okay? So following the text. The gas giants. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are 4 planets furthest from the Sun. They're known as gas giants. Jupiter, distance from the Sun. It's the 5th planet from the Sun. Size, it's the biggest planet. Rings, it's got 3 rings. Moons, it's got at least 16 moons. One of its moons is the biggest moon in the solar system. Interesting information. It's the heaviest planet. The large red spot on Jupiter is a storm that started at least 400 years ago. Saturn, distance from the Sun. It's the 6th planet from the Sun. Size, it's the 2nd biggest planet. Rings, it's got thousands of rings made of ice and rock. Saturn's rings are the brightest rings in the solar system. Moons. It's got at least 30 moons. It's the planet with the most moons. Interesting information. Some of the pieces of ice in Saturn's rings are as big as a house. Uranus, distance from the Sun. It's the 7th planet from the Sun. Size, it's the 3rd biggest planet. Rings, it's got 11 grey rings. Moons, it's got at least 22 moons. Interesting information, it's the coldest planet. Neptune, distance from the Sun. It's the furthest planet from the Sun. Size, it's the 4th biggest planet. Rings, it's got 4 complete rings made of rock and dust, and lots of incomplete rings. Moons, it's got at least 8 moons. Interesting information, it's the windiest planet. Okay, so pause the video and read the story again. Super. Okay, so now can you look at number 2 on this page and find the information on each planet? So which planet has got the biggest moon? You need to read through and write it down. Which is the windiest planet? Find out and write it down. Which planet has got the brightest rings? Which is the coldest planet? Okay, so find the information and write those down. Okay guys, now you've written those, we're going to go to our activity books. So open your activity books to page 43. We are looking at the literacy reading. We're on lesson 6, unit 4. It looks like this with the picture of the planets. Okay, so it says for exercise number 1, after you read and write true or false. So true, verdad, false, mentira. So you write true or false. Jupiter is the biggest planet. It's true. And this is already done. So complete this exercise. When this one is complete, follow on to exercise 2. Complete the chart with 3 facts about each planet. You will find those in your pupil book. So Jupiter, it's the biggest planet. Write information for all of them. Okay? So those are the exercises for today. So have fun with those, and hopefully I will see you all very soon. Okay, take care then. Bye.